Let me ask you something, and be honest with me. How many nights has this happened to you? You go to bed feeling fine, fall asleep without much trouble, and then suddenly your eyes open. You look at the clock. 2:58, 3, 7, 3, 12 a.m. And it's not just once in a while. It keeps happening, almost like your body has set an alarm you never asked for. You try to go back to sleep. You turn to one side, then the other. Maybe adjust your pillow, close your eyes tighter. But now your mind is awake. And the more you try to sleep, the more impossible it feels. If you're over 60 and this sounds familiar, I want you to know something right away. You're not the only one dealing with this. A lot of people think sleep problems mean they can't fall asleep. But for many folks over 60, that's not the issue. It's staying asleep, waking up right in the middle of the night, and then struggling to drift off again. And the next day, that's where it really hits. You wake up feeling like you never fully rested. Your energy is low. Your thinking feels a little slower. Even your mood can take a hit. Simple things, conversations, focus, even enjoying your day start to feel a bit harder. And after a while, it's not just about sleep anymore. It starts to create worry. Why is this happening to me? Is something wrong with my health? That stress alone can keep the cycle going. Now here's the important part. This 3 a.m. waking pattern, it's not random. There are real reasons behind it. First, your body's sleep system changes with age. As we get older, the body naturally produces less melatonin, the hormone that helps you stay asleep through the night. So, your sleep becomes lighter, easier to interrupt. Second, your internal clock shifts. You may feel sleepy earlier in the evening, which sounds like a good thing, but it also means your body thinks it's time to wake up earlier too. That 3 a.m. wake up, sometimes your body thinks it's already morning. Third, blood sugar plays a role. If your blood sugar drops slightly during the night, your body releases stress hormones to bring it back up. That small internal alert can wake you up suddenly. And here's something many people don't expect. Even quiet stress shows up at night. During the day, you're busy, distracted, but at night, everything is still, and your mind finally has space to think. On top of that, everyday habits matter more than we realize. Late dinners, afternoon caffeine, watching screens before bed, even certain medications. All of these can quietly affect your sleep. Now, here's the good news. You don't need complicated solutions. Small changes can make a real difference. Start with your evenings. About an hour before bed, slow things down. Dim the lights, turn off the TV or phone. Let your brain know the day is ending in. Next, watch your dinner timing. Try to eat at least 2-3 hours before bed. Keep it light. This helps avoid those nighttime blood sugar dips. Then, add a simple wind-down habit. Nothing fancy. Just sitting quietly, slow breathing, or reading something calm. Now here's one tip most people don't hear. If you wake up at 3 a.m., don't fight it. Don't panic. Don't look at the clock again and again. Just sit up for a moment. Take a few slow breaths. Relax your body. When you stop resisting, your body often settles faster. And one more thing that helps more than people expect. Get morning sunlight, even 10-15 minutes. It helps reset your body clock so your sleep becomes more stable at night. Here's the truth. Waking up at 3 a.m. doesn't mean your body is broken. It means your body is changing, and it needs a slightly different rhythm now. And the good part? You can work with it. Not overnight, not perfectly, but gradually. Now, I'd really like to hear from you. Do you find yourself waking up around the same time every night? And what have you tried so far? Share it in the comments because you're not the only one going through this. And if this helped you understand your sleep a little better, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.